Hello friends, if you want to make AI generated videos with this watermark as you can see on the screen, and if you are okay with the watermark, then you can consider this. You can generate this online videos without any email ID, just using your temporary email. I'll show you. This is very easy.
1. Excuse and success do not talk together. 2. Start managing your attention, not time. 3. If
As you can see, this is a very short clip that I have generated with this site called Synthesia. And I have already tried with one very popular website, and that is called studio.d-id. But that did not work for me. Since today I have discovered this trick worked with this website. That's why I wanted to share this with you. Now, as you can see, just you have to search on Google Synthesia. Synthesia, just type in this name on Google. I'm showing you. Just you have to enter Synthesia AI, or you can just enter Synthesia. You will find the first website. This is the click on the first link. Now you can click on this create AI video. As you can see, there's some pretext. You have to delete this. Now I'll delete this and I'll enter my own text, like don't tell people what you think. Where is it? This one. Let's make it number 1. Don't tell people what you think, show them your results. Now let's put the next one more sentence. Let's make it number 2. As you can see, still we have 64 characters left. Now let's continue. Now you have to type some name, any name. Just I have entered Arman Chaudhary, just imaginary name. Now go to Google again. I'll show you, like you go to Google and search temporary mail, temp mail. Just enter this, you will find temporary mail. Just click on this. One temporary email will be generated, and you are going to use this temporary email. Like, see, if you want to change this, you can change this also. It will generate. Since I have already used that email, sometimes same email doesn't work. It doesn't matter. This is showing again. If I close this, this will provide another email. Let's put in. And one more very important thing, it's always ask for business email. Like then if you enter your Gmail or any other reputed email like Yahoo Mail, Ymail, it will not work. Now just you have to answer from where you have information about this site. I got to know from Google. Now I'll click on generate video. Now as you can see, they will prompt. Now I'm not getting any message yet. Let's refresh if we can get any message from their website. As you can see, I have received one email like this: AI video, we are working on it, we are on it. As you can see, it takes a bit time, not more than around 5 minutes. Your video will be created. So friends, this is a very good feature. I'll call it a feature, since this is not yet closed by your this Synthesia website. But this thing will not work in a few videos I have seen already few creators, they already created this trick doesn't work with studio.did, and that is a very good platform, probably stronger this platform, but still this site Synthesia is not blocking temporary mail. So you have the chance, you can create as many videos with this till the feature is closed. As you can see nowadays, these AI platforms are charging a very heavy amount. I thought to go for a subscription. Like in this I'll show you one video that already generated. Sometimes it takes time, so this video will be extra long. Now as you can see, when your video will be created, you will get this type of message. If you click on this, then your video will be played on your browser like this. If I play this,
1. You are not responsible for others' reactions.
see
2. Don't tell people what you think. Show them your results.
see as you can see, your
1. You are not
now I am pausing this. You can download this video by installing one plugin like this, Video Downloader Professional. Like see, your video is showing here. You can download it from here. So friends, this is quite easy. You don't have to put any kind of extra effort. If you are okay with this watermark, then you can consider this. Otherwise you can go for paid subscription, but for learning purpose, this is quite okay. If you are accustomed with all this, then you can go for paid subscription. So thanks a lot friends. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. It will encourage me to come up with some other videos. Thanks a lot friends. Thanks for watching.